Hello.
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 Why is there this upbeat music playing?
It's in the back. You have to go and stop it from the dashboard.
I cannot. This is so complicated. Yeah, how do I do that? Oh, done. Hello.
Yeah, yeah. You're
Why are
okay.
you laughing? Who is laughing?
I'm nothing. Did you guys hear about the lockdown?
Yeah,
I think it's a good thing this time. Last time it
yeah.
was a stupid thing, but this time it's appropriate.
I mean, there's still people running around without masks, so good
Yeah.
enough.
We're waiting for Harshita now.
She said she texted that she's logged in,
Yeah,
but
using
still.
something else. Now she's gonna log in using Chrome.
I logged in using Chrome, and this person said your browser doesn't like us, so log in from Safari.
How was your exam?
What?
How was your exam? Math and chemistry.
Oh, so math, okay, some scene happened. What happened was that first I couldn't see the paper only, okay? So because of that, I had 10 minutes lesser. But chemistry was so good.
Okay. All right.
This app is so fun. It's like so cute.
Mm.
I heard you can do quizzes and all also on this app.
Yes, but I'll have to prepare for those quizzes. It's not like I can do it at any time. I have to feed the questions. That is
Oh,
when I can take it.
okay, okay.
Where is Harshita now?
The
She's taking
morning
her own
class
sweet
is
time.
so here's my dad's at home and he's studying in my and he's working in my study room. I'm sitting in my bedroom, so I don't have all my books. I only have NCRT and a notebook.
I don't understand anything. Is your connection like horrible today?
Mine? Oh yeah.
Are you using data by any chance?
No, I'm using my Wi-Fi. My Wi-Fi is horrible.
Yeah, we have the same Wi-Fi. How is it that your Wi-Fi is horrible today?
No, my Wi-Fi is in my other room, and from that room here it doesn't come.
Acha. How was Vansh's exam?
I think it went well. I don't know. I didn't talk to
Okay.
him. I followed him
Good,
today.
good, good. All right. So we were in determinants, right?
No, we were at Chutti.
No,
Oh, I know.
I also have to like get supplies and stuff. So
Oh, So you finish class early and then you go to VR.
Where is Harshita?
Is I don't know.
Harshita, we are waiting for you. Okay, so let's talk about inverse because we have been talking about inverse.
I thought you were gonna say let's just talk. I got so happy, but then
So I'm going to talk about inverse and then we can chill. Whoever wants to solve can solve. Whoever doesn't want to solve can not solve.
okay.
Can you guys see what I'm writing?
Yeah, yeah.
Can you expand the whiteboard on your screen as well?
I can't see, sir.
Can't see. What have you logged in from? Laptop or iPad?
No. iPad.
That is why all this stupidity is happening. Just give me
I
a
don't have
second.
an iPad.
Where is Harshita, man? Okay, I'm gonna start.
I don't.
So adjoint of a matrix has a property. Okay, that adjoint of A. Can you see now, Asmita?
No, I really can't. It's just a blank screen. When I first came to the class, I could see you, but now I can't. Can you switch it off and switch it on again?
Yes, Asmita. Okay, I'll just ask Rashi to call you. Okay, she'll clarify whatever issue is there. Is there an issue with the app? So I'll just ask Rashi to call you. Whatever is the issue, she'll help you log in. Okay. Okay. So when you multiply adjoint of A with A, you get mod A, that is determinant of A into I, and you get the same thing here. So the multiplication of A to its adjoint, a matrix A to its adjoint is commutative. If you remember, I told you this works only for a few matrices. Okay? It works for I, A into I is I into A is equal to A. And the second matrix is adjoint of A. Adjoint of A into A is equal to A into adjoint of A is equal to mod A into I. The third matrix it works for is the inverse. A into A inverse is equal to A inverse into A is equal to I. Alright?
Yeah.
Write this down.
Sir,
Hmm. Yes.
sir,
Yes, tell
can you switch
me.
your camera on and off?
Can you what?
Can you switch on your camera and switch it off again and then like switch off your camera and then switch it on again?
What will happen with that? Yeah. Hi Rashi, are you free right now?
Oh, not really.
Okay, fine. Yeah.
So now I can see.
हेलो हाँ हो गया सुबह में 10 बजे अरे कल तो अभी कॉल करते ना हम क्लास में आए Is headache a symptom of COVID?
Kind of. Yes.
Yes.
No,
Yes, it is.
Tumta.
I don't have COVID.
You don't have COVID yet. ऐसी मत करो पूरा time.
Yeah, it started again. This is the exact thing which was happening in last May. I call you people like, I think I have COVID.
People should block your number.
It says one of the less common symptoms are headache. So
It's like I'm having like normal headache. Maybe it's just the weather.
You get
What?
you only get headache when you're healing.
Yeah, maybe I had COVID. I'm healing now.
आपकी आवाज नहीं आई. Oh god. You know your voice and your video are like coming at different times.
That's your internet issue, man.
Fine. I think my internet is bad. I should leave the class now.
No.
What are you doing, but where is Harshita?
Finally.
Okay.
Hi.
You finally did it.
Okay, can you see the board?
Yeah.
All right. So I was telling that there are three matrices whose multiplication are commutative. Okay. One of them is identity. A matrix multiplied to I. Yes, she has logged it. She
Sir,
just
is there
logged.
another blackboard other than?
You, Ashmita, are you not able to see?
No, I didn't even know that there's another blackboard. And this thing is saying that I am elsewhere.
so you can probably go for an online whiteboard and share your screen. Maybe that will work.
Wait, I'm confused. What are we doing? I don't even understand what you're saying.
Everything will be clear. Just give it a second.
No, I can see the board. I just don't understand what you're saying.
Why is only my camera on?
Everybody's camera is on, Asmita.
I can't see anybody.
That is most probably because of your internet. Can you go to a proper place where you have good internet connection?
My brother's playing PS4 over there.
So that is not more important than your classes, no?
One minute. Give me a.
How was your exam, Harshita? Math
Which
exam.
exam? Oh,
Oh my
acha.
God. Very good.
It's been a week. So
Is amnesia a symptom of COVID?
डराओ मत यार, but no, it was good. I think I did pretty well. But अभी results पे depend करेगा.
हाँ, वो तो करेगा ही. Asmita wanted to have a chill day today.
Shut up, what is online chill day? We'll do offline chill day. There's nothing called online chill day.
We can sit and talk like old times about issues
We can
that
just,
your parents think are not issues.
or we can all just go to sleep.
Yeah, that is not happening. You don't come to class to show us how you sleep.
No, I won't show. I'll just think like,
Okay, so Asmita is not here. I'm going to still tell the same thing. There are three matrices whose multiplication is commutative. One is a matrix with its adjoint, a matrix with identity matrix, and a matrix with its inverse. Okay, you multiply in whichever order, you will get the same answer.
Why
Now,
is
the
that in
first,
yellow? This is so confusing. There's so many
because you
things.
have just started talking. The more you talk, the more the color will change. Okay. So let's talk about adjoint into A for a second. Okay. You have, so adjoint matrix is, first of all, I will write a matrix B. People from open house have very good English. I like that. So you'll have A11, A12, A13, then A21, A22, A23, A31. Can you tell me what is this capital A? Can you? Can anybody?
Yeah, it's cofactor.
Yeah, so this B matrix is a matrix where I have put the cofactors in their corresponding elements place. Adjoint of A will be B transpose. When I take the transpose of this B, that is when I'll get adjoint of A. Okay? So let's do that. Let's find out adjoint of, that will be A11, A21, A2, sorry, 31. Then you'll be A12, A22, A32. Okay. Then you'll have A13, A23, A33. Okay. Now let us multiply this with the element. That is, I'm going to multiply adjoint of A into A. Okay. That is A11, A12, A, sorry, A13, A21, A22, A23, A31, A32, A33. Okay. Okay. Asmita, can you see now? Can you see now? I can't hear you. You can't see the whiteboard. Can you use a laptop or can you rejoin? Can you go back and rejoin? Okay, now can you guys multiply this, please? And I want a picture.
Hello. I can see the whiteboard.
He got somewhere. You have to multiply those two things and send him the solution.
Is your camera on or off?
Yes. Can you see now? Please tell me you can see now.
Yeah, I can.
Do you understand what is written?
Yeah.
What is written? B is a matrix of all the cofactors put in their places. Okay. Adjoint of A, if you remember, was defined as the transpose of this matrix. Correct? So adjoint of A, I wrote B and I took its transpose. So I got adjoint of A. Now I am multiplying adjoint of A to A. That is A11, A12, A13 and all that. What I want you to do is I want you to multiply this and show me what comes. Do you guys know how to upload things here? You don't know?
No, I don't think.
Okay, so you have to download an app for that. I know it's first time, it will be an issue, but oh, actually, it was sent in the group. No, somebody said I don't have an Android, I have an Apple. How do I download? Blah blah blah.
Yes, I have open house app.
Do you have it, Harshita?
Oh yeah, I can scan.
I
What do I have
looked
to
for
scan?
it on this thing, but I couldn't find it. Weird stuff was coming, so I just like exited.
So I check this thing group. I have sent you that. Do you have Android or do you have an Apple?
Android
हाँ तो मैंने भेजा है वहाँ पे वो डाउनलोड करो
डाउनलोड हो गया शुरू
हो गया डाउनलोड ठीक है अब देखो
नहीं
ओपन
शुरू हुआ
दैट
है वो शुरू हुआ है
अच्छा शुरू हुआ ठीक है
इतना जल्दी आपको लगता है डाउनलोड हो जाता है ओके
Okay. Did you guys get it?
नो वेट so much work you do.
Something very good is going to happen when you multiply.
I don't see any good coming from it already.
What is coming? No.
Multiply, you will see.
Oh.
Am I even doing it? Yeah, I'm doing it right. No good is coming from it.
Oh, it's coming opposite. Like A31 and small A13.
पहले पूरा करो
It's a symmetric matrix.
ऐसा तो कुछ बोला नहीं मैंने
I am saying.
Did you guys hear about the lockdown from tomorrow?
हाँ सुनो.
Yeah.
गोदरेज वैसे ही लॉकडाउन में हमने क्या चार डाल देना है अगर कर्नाटका में भी लॉकडाउन हो गया.
They should have done this like 15 days ago.
Yeah, but 14. Yeah.
Okay. Pay attention to me
Done.
1 second. देखो पहले हमको मल्टीप्लाई करना है सो I'll take the first A11 so row from here and column from here, right? Correct. So I will get A11 into A11 plus A21 into A21 plus A31 into A31. अब सेकंड के लिए क्या है हमें 1 2 चाहिए तो फर्स्ट रो सेकंड कॉलम सो A11 into A12 plus A21 into A22 plus A31 into A32. Okay, now look here. What is this written?
The determinant of
Correct. This is the
formula.
determinant mod A. What is this written? This is the cofactor of first column multiplied to the cofactor of first row.
Oh,
Correct? No? No, not first row, something else. It's multiplied to something else. What value will that give?
oh, it will
Zero. Don't you remember? We discussed this.
yeah.
We discussed if you multiply the same row to the same cofactor, then you'll get determinant. But if you multiply it with anything else, you will get zero. Correct? No.
Yeah, yeah. You
We
said
had
that.
discussed this when we were discussing cofactor and determinant value. So A11 multiplied to A11, A21 multiplied to A21, A31 multiplied to A31 will only give you mod. You multiply them with any other element and add, it will give you zero. So what is this value? Zero.
0.
What will be the third value? This will be this multiplied to a third one. A13, A23, A33. Will that be zero as well? Yes
Yeah,
or no?
because it's
Yes.
just a row.
Now the second one. Let's see. The second element will come from second row and first column. So will that be mod A or zero? A12
Zero.
multiplied to A11, A22
Zero,
multiplied to
zero.
A21, A32 multiplied to A31. What value will that give
It will
you?
be 0.
Zero.
Zero.
0.
Now the next is A12 multiplied to A12, A22 multiplied to A22, and A32 multiplied to
It will give
A32.
mod A.
It will
Determinant.
give you mod A.
Hmm.
Then
So this is like
A12.
identity matrix, but instead of 111, there's just mod.
Okay, now let's see the third one. A13 multiplied to this thing, 0. Then A13 multiplied to A13, again 0. The third one you see, A13 multiplied to A13, A23 multiplied to A23, A33 multiplied to A33. That is mod A again. Can you see that? So when you
Yeah.
multiply these two matrices, that is adjoint of A into A, what you are getting is mod A 0, 0, 0 mod A 0 and 0, 0 mod A. Can I say that this is multiplied to, if this is 0, then each element is multiplied with mod A? Can I say that? 0 can be written as 0 into
Yeah.
mod A, no?
Yeah,
So
yeah.
I can take mod A common.
So it will become an identity matrix.
Yes, 1, 0, 0, 0, 0, 1, sorry, 0, 1, 0 and 0, 0, 1. So that is nothing but mod A into I. Correct, no?
Didn't we do this formula, the inverse of this thing?
अभी हमने किया नहीं है, हम अभी मैंने just लिखा था कि adjoint of A into
No,
A
last chapter.
same as A into adjoint of A is equal to mod A into I. Now it's clear? Is it clear?
Yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
it's clear. Will the derivations and stuff of
No.
such formulas please?
No, no. Now let's talk about inverse. Can you tell me what is inverse?
Matrix A into its identity match.
नहीं, पहले ध्यान दो, ये बहुत इंपॉर्टेंट है. इनवर्स किसी ऑपरेशन के लिए डिफाइन होता है. You can write all these points actually. These are very important points. Inverse is always defined for a particular operation, not for a number, not for a type of number or type of set or matrix, it is defined for a particular operation. Inverse is always defined for a particular operation. Every operation has an identity element. Okay, for example, multiplication के लिए identity element है उसका reciprocal. sorry. Multiplication के लिए identity element है 1.
1.
Meaning when you multiply a with 1, you'll get a itself. So the identity element is 1. Addition के लिए identity element है 0.
0.
When you add a to 0, you'll get 0. Is that clear? तो ये element जिसपे की operation perform करके when you perform that operation, you get the same number. That is called the identity element. Okay? Inverse is defined based on this identity element. If you have a number, and let's say you have an operation, let's say multiplication operation, what should you multiply so that you will get the identity element? The identity element is 1. So what should you multiply with a so that you get the identity element of multiplication, that is 1? 1 by a. Okay, so 1 by a is called the inverse of a. We literally write as a inverse. Okay? What if I take the operation positive, and what should I add to a so that I get 0? Now 0 is the identity element of a.
Minus a.
Minus a. So minus a is the inverse of a with respect to addition. Why I'm telling you all of this? Because this was supposed to be told in the chapter relation and function that we have skipped. Okay, all of this concept was in the chapter relation and function. So two things we have discussed here, very important, that will come back in relation function: the identity element and the inverse. So what is the identity element? The identity element is the element that when applied to the operation with a number will give you the same number. Okay. For multiplication it is 1. For addition it is 0. For more complex ones, then you will be taught how to calculate the identity element in the first chapter. Okay, just say for example, for e power x, the identity element is e power minus x. Sorry, 1 itself. Then again, e power x is the function. We have to define what operation. Okay, we'll go in that detail when we reach that. The chapter is called binary operations, in which you will be taught inverse and all that. Okay, this is clear. Now the identity element for the multiplication of matrix. What is that identity element? For multiplication of matrices, multiplication between
inverse.
I is the identity element. A multiplied to I will give you A itself. So the identity matrix is the identity element of A. That is literally why it's called identity matrix. Because it's the identity element. Okay? Multiplying I to a matrix will give you the same matrix again. Okay?
So, but how is that possible? Because an identity matrix has 0 as well.
Multiply it, देखो. We have done this in class before. If I have 2, 1, 3, 4 multiplied to 1, 0, 0, 1. If I multiply, I will get 2 into 1 plus 1 into this 1 in this 0 is making sure that nothing else comes here except 2.
Oh.
Correct? Then you do this, then this 0 here will ensure 2 doesn't come here. 1 comes. Correct? So 2 into 0 plus 1 into 1. Okay, then you multiply this. This will ensure 3 comes here, but 4 doesn't. And this will ensure that 3 doesn't come, 4 comes. So if you see, this will come 2, 1, 3, 4.
Okay.
Again, so A into I will give you A again. Is that clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So now, if I have a matrix which I multiply to my concerned matrix, and if that gives me I, can I conveniently call this B as the inverse of A?
Yes, and just
What is the inverse? An inverse is a number which, when applied to the operation with a particular matrix, will give you identity element. So if B is multiplied to A, and I know that identity element for matrix multiplication is I. So if B multiplied to A is giving me I, should I be calling B as A inverse? Will I be right in calling so? Anirudh, you live
Yes. Yeah.
a little this thing. I'm going to come back to this again. A multiplied to 1 by A is 1. That is why I'm calling 1 by A as the multiplicative inverse of A.
Hmm.
A minus A plus minus A will give you 0. So I am calling A as the additive inverse of minus A as the additive inverse of A.
Hmm.
So if I multiply two matrices and it gives us the answer I, can I call B as A inverse and
Yeah.
A as B inverse?
Yeah.
Correct, no?
Yeah.
This is definitely Asmita. Can you hear me? No. I do not ignore you, right? So if I'm not answering, that means that I'm not able to hear you. Asmita, can you hear me? Do the dance thingy like this. What the hell? Please mind your language. I can hear you. Okay, good to know. It's okay. Can you see the board? I am bored. This class is not for your entertainment. So if you are bored, pay attention. Why are you? Can you not figure out why we are laughing? Okay, I'm gonna move on. So much texting is happening. Okay, now I will divert your attention back at me. Yes, you have correctly deduced the fact why we are laughing. Okay, so I am going to go back after all this. Is this all clear? Okay, you can actually use the thumbs up symbol in your app. Okay, yes. Okay, now let us go back to what I had written here. And Harshita, if you remember, this was your doubt a few classes ago. So I'm going to clear it now.
I don't remember, but
I
it's
remember it.
fine. Okay, cool.
Okay? Can I multiply, sorry, can I multiply each of them by 1 by mod A? Yes. Now this will cancel. I will get 1 by mod A. Keep in mind, mod A is a number. So I can do that. I cannot divide matrices, but I can still do scalar multiplication. So 1 by A is a scalar number. So I have multiplied each of them with a scalar 1 by mod A. Can you see what just happened? I have taken a matrix 1 by mod A multiplied to adjoint of A. I have multiplied that to A. What did I get? I, identity element. I have multiplied it in the other order, A first and then 1 by mod A into adjoint of A, and I got the identity element I again. What can I call this matrix?
So is it the inverse value of A?
Correct. This is inverse. Inverse, correct. Can we clap for both of you? You can clap yourself. It's amazing that you guys are clapping with your mics mute, so nobody can hear anything.
I clap for myself.
Yeah.
I'm
Typing takes time. Yeah, I know. So I am going to write this as A inverse into A is equal to A into A inverse equals to I, where I hate my handwriting. How the mighty have fallen. And yes, I'm calling my handwriting mighty because I really have a good handwriting and I hate this.
You know, there are things like writing pads. So if you get that, I think it'll be normal. My teacher in class uses that. That's the only way you can write. Oh, okay. Never mind.
Don't worry, I will learn. Soon my handwriting will get better here also. Okay, thank you. She said no, imagine.
How did that come on my head? It just said vibing. I want that again. That was so cool. I want that again. I don't even know what happened.
Okay, is this clear now? Huh? Okay, let me, all of you have written this, please write it down. Written? Karnataka to provide free COVID-19 vaccine to those aged 18 to 44 at government centers. Maybe I should not have taken the vaccine. Very good. Really. What do you have amnesia now? Okay, I will show you that quickly. Before, I want to remind you one thing here. Do you remember? Yes, as well as give me 2 minutes. I'll do that. Do you remember singular matrix? Tell me what is the meaning of singular matrix?
जिसका value isn't equal to 0.
किसका value?
The matrix value.
Matrix का value?
मतलब the determinant value isn't equal to 0.
Is
not equal to,
that is completely wrong.
no, is equal to 0. Non-singular matrix is जिसका value is in 0. Singular is जिसका
if a
value
matrix determinant value is 0, okay, then it is called singular. Can you tell me if the matrix is singular, will its inverse exist?
No.
Correct. Why? Because this mod A will become 0. and then A inverse will become not defined, infinity. Okay. Correct. So please write this note. For a singular matrix, inverse doesn't exist. I'll be right back. Okay, have you written it down? Okay. Now, Asana, you wanted to revise multiplication. Let me do that for you quickly. So this is 2 cross 2. This is also 2 cross 2. So the upcoming matrix will be 2 cross 2. So A11, A12, A21, A22. Okay. The first element I will get by multiplying first row with first column. That is 1 into 1 plus 2 into 3. Then the second, I will multiply the first row with the second column. So 1 into 2 plus 2 into 4. Then third, I'll get A21. A21, that is second row, first column. So 3 into first column is 1 plus 4 into 3. Then the last element I'll get 2, 2. That is second row, second column. So 3 into 2 plus 4 into 4. So that will give you 1 into 6 is 7, 2 into 8 is 10, 3 into 12 is 15, and 6 into 16 is 22. Okay? All right. Now, I am going to give you a matrix. You have to calculate its inverse. Why, Harshita? Calculate inverse. So you will calculate inverse of this by using the adjoint formula. A inverse is equal to 1 by mod A into adjoint of A. Calculate adjoint of A, calculate this thing. And divide. And I want the inverse. So all of you have to upload your answers here. How many of you do not know how to upload the answers here? Okay, Asmita, you can raise your hand. There are raising hand symbols, which you can use.
Yes, I did. I used them. First, I
Yeah.
did it manually. Then I was like, oh, there's a raise hand symbol. I'll just use that.
So how will you calculate adjoint A, Asmita? Very good question. You should go back to you should invent a time machine, go back to time and go to the class where we learned how to calculate adjoint. Yes. So how you calculate adjoint is you calculate each of their. Okay, I'm gonna write the steps. Steps to calculate adjoint. Forgot. Yeah, very good. I did not figure that out on my own. I think I'm getting a fever. My eyes are burning. I cannot be alone and with corona. Okay. Eye drops use. Since when did you become Yoda? Okay, first step is you calculate cofactor of each element. Cofactors of each element. Do you remember how to use how to calculate cofactor, Asmita? Okay. Second, form a matrix B by putting cofactors. Okay, I'm going to calculate matrix B by putting cofactors in corresponding elements place. Then third, adjoint of A is the transpose of this matrix, that is B transpose. Did you understand, Asmita? Did all the steps clear? Okay.
Sir, I'm done. I just need to know how to upload. I
Okay.
downloaded the app also.
You open the app. Okay.
1 second. 1 second. Yeah. It says click on QR button on O. Okay.
Hmm.
And scan the code. Okay.
Something like this is showing.
1 second. I'm just scanning the code.
Scan the code and then take a picture, upload. You're so intelligent. Yeah.
Scan.
You're so intelligent.
Thanks. But it's not scanning, like, I don't know.
Just take a picture. Once you scan the code, you're connected.
No, it just says I have to scan it. I don't have to take a picture.
Yes, you should click on the QR code on the right.
I did that already.
Then you
But
scan it.
like, oh, for God's sake, just scan.
Now
Like,
you take a
it's-
picture
That's what I'm trying, but there's no thing.
and then upload. See?
Oh, I think it happened. I'm not sure. Load ho ja, please. Oh, it's already connected. Peace. Yeah. One picture I uploaded. Did you get it?
Yeah.
Now I'm uploading the second one. Yeah, I've uploaded 2 pictures.
Okay, let me check. Yes, Asmita, what happened? This seems wrong.
I'll check again.
Yeah. One two zero minus 102 321. Yes, correct. Answer I'm gonna write down here.
It's correct.
No, it's wrong. I'm going to write down the correct answer.
Where did I go wrong though? I am not able to figure it out.
Check the calculation once and I'll tell you.
Okay.
I think in determinant only you went wrong. This is the answer.
So why the
Yeah.
1/10?
That is the answer. What are you getting?
No, I got the numbers, but not divided by 1/10. So I just
1
asked.
by mod A. You do 1 by mod A.
Hmm. Oh, okay.
Mod A should be 10.
Hmm.
Yeah, sir, I got my mistake. I did a mistake in the determinant thing, and I did one in calculating the minor, sorry, cofactor. I fixed it now.
So
Did you get this answer?
Hmm?
Did you get this answer?
I still have to get it in that form, but I fixed this thing.
Okay, solve it. Yes, Aravind, you had a doubt.
could you explain how to get mod again?
So first you do plus minus plus. Sorry, matlab signs. Plus minus plus. I'm using the row or column to expand which has maximum number of zeros. Two of them has 0, so I'm choosing the first one. So plus 1, okay. Then I will remove this and I will remove this. I'll get 0, 2, 2, 1. 0, 2, 2, 1. Then minus 2, and I will remove this and I will remove this. I will get minus 1, 2, 3, 1. Okay. So this will become plus 1 bracket 0 into 1 is 0 minus 4 minus 2 minus 1 into 1 is minus 1 minus 6. That will give you minus 4 minus 2 into minus 7. Minus 4 minus 14. Something wrong from plus. Oh, sorry, plus 14.
Plus 2.
Minus 2 into this thing. That will give
Yeah.
you plus 10.
Hmm.
Okay?
Hmm.
Understood?
Yeah.
So can you go back to the answer? I need to compare.
Yes, Asmita.
I think the m no the element in third 3 1 the -1/5 down there.
Hmm.
I got -3/10. And then -1/5.
No, I'm getting -1/5 only.
So I calculate this